not looking at how they manage capacity and how they plan capacity. That's important. If you haven't felt the economic impact, you probably will soon, but because there are downstream industries that feel it. What's going to happen is, the people that do feel it, they're going to have to act. So they are going to do this. They are going to do the optimizations, and their IT infrastructure is going to become, out of this, more flexible. They'll be able to react faster. So just to be competitive, you have to do some sort of optimization. Because if you don't, the guys that do are going to have the advantage. And your business is not going to understand when you say, well, why didn't I do it? Well, I didn't feel the pressure. Right? But the competitors did.
We exploded and had machines.
So the first thing you want to sell is the fundamentals towards dollars. So you suggest that there is enormous dollars being spent on excess hardware, on excess software, space, power, complications, reliability. And so you kind of categorize them all. And with the information that you know how utilized or underutilized various pieces of equipment are, you can start to do measurable ROIs, return on investments. And it's pretty easy to show significant gains, especially since these are annualized operating gains. Another example is, for a lot of companies, they have something called CiRBA refresh, which is simply that opportunity to that they use to annually, 2 years, every 3 years, refresh the hardware, and they kind of have this allocated in their budget. You can immediately show savings by just crossing that line out, saying, I'm not going to refresh all those servers, I'm going to refresh a portion of them, because my analysis shows that we don't need all of those and that we could better utilize the existing infrastructure that we have. It's just the fundamentals that a lot of times they don't know. They don't have the performance, they don't have the configuration, and they can't analyze it in a way to show empirically this is how we can improve our cost efficiency of our data center.
So in the initial assessment of the environment, there's a... Well, obviously I recommend come to IBM, right? But we actually have something called efficiency study. And our efficiency study is actually set up to help those IT managers give the business justification to their management so that they can get the monies they need to do the consolidation. There are some areas where a consolidation or optimization can pay for itself. And so we're able to provide that knowledge, that justification to the IT manager to take up to his CIO or CTO or CFO to get the funding he needs to do the project.